Hello, it's Bailey and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I feel like a few new people may see this depending on if the hosts and such share this video. So hello, welcome to my channel. I'm filming this with wet hair because my husband did text me and say that he's gonna get off work early today so that we can go to the apple orchard. So I only have this much time, but I'm really excited to be announcing the next 3 books for the Shelf This Book Club. If you're unfamiliar with the Shelf This Book Club, it is a book club I organize. I don't like to say I host it because the whole concept of the book club is each month I choose a different host to pick a book and then host that month's discussion and such. I usually do this in groups of 3, so we'll have a book 3 months in a row and then we'll take a month off, which October is our month off. But I did want to announce that I'm going to be trying to get everyone together that has been an active participant, or any new members. Anyone is welcome to join this. I'm gonna host some reading sprints on Sunday, October 17th at noon Central Time right here on this channel. So I hope you'll join us. It is like each month, not everybody gets to the books. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to get more of us together at once, I guess. I will also be linking all the appropriate links for this. I am most active in the book club on the Discord, and I try to give enough updates on Twitter, but I'm not super active on Twitter, but both of those things will be linked down below. So I have November, December, and January books to announce today, and in November our host is going to be Adriana from Carbon Bonded Books, and she has chosen A Spy in the Struggle by Aya de Leon. And I'm really excited for this one. It is an adult mystery by a POC author, which I'm so excited to have. And it sounds like this is going to be about basically our main character spying within the FBI. I'm not sure. I hadn't heard of the book until she picked it, but it's something I'm definitely excited to get to. Then in December, we have the birthday girl, Rylan, from Escaping Through Novels. And I am so excited because she picked a true crime book. And it's just something different for us to read in the book club. So I'm super excited for this one. And she chose I'll Be Gone in the Dark by Michelle McNamara, I think the author's name is. And I also believe that the author passed away before she was able to finish this book. So I think there was some assistance in finishing this book. And this is revolving around the Golden State Killer. And I also think that this book was published before the Golden State Killer was caught. So I'm really interested to see just what is said in this. I'm pretty familiar with the case. Let me know if you guys are. I'm definitely excited for this one. And then in January, we are going to be hosted by Ashley from Of Fiction and Fantasy. And in true fashion, she did pick a fantasy book, and she chose 6 Crimson Cranes by Elizabeth Lim. And I'm not sure I completely understand what this book is about. I've read the synopsis a couple times. My understanding is our main character has this forbidden magic that her stepmother, I think, finds out about, and for some reason her brothers get turned into cranes, and if she speaks of her magic, her brothers will be killed one by one. If she says anything about it, one of her brothers will die. And then she's also trying to avoid a marriage with some guy. Not sure. It does look like it's gonna be a pretty political, magical system, and I'm excited. I'm kind of getting back into the fantasy mood. I'd taken it a step away from fantasy, so I'm hoping this one will get me back into it, and the cover is gorgeous. So this really was just a quick announcement video. I hope you're as excited for these books as I am. I hope you will join us every month, but any of the months if you're able to. And thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.